So let's talk a little bit about CAMplete.
Okay. Yeah, CAMplete's a great comfort, man. We were able to get CAMplete with this machine, an exact machine model here, so that you can model your holders, position your part in space, and tell before you even get to the control if you're going to have any kind of close encounters with the table or any collisions. Of course, we don't want any gouges, anything like that, but CAMplete's able to tell you that really quickly. It's really user friendly as well, and again, it took a minute to get used to that, but with some good training from Yamazen, it was just a couple of days. We were able to post right off CAMplete very easily. It's sort of a combination of a post processor and machine verification software that allows you to see if you've got any collisions, any potential scary parts, anything like that. So very comforting whenever you're running a high-end machine like this.